Well, politics and sports don't often go hand in hand, perhaps though more now than in the past. But an ad for a new ballot measure Uber is pushing has people talking up and down the state. ABC 10 State Matters political reporter Jenny Huh explains why.
It's a ballot initiative already contentious and only likely to become more expensive and political, with powerful money and political groups behind the measure, as well as its countermeasures.
The billboard lawyers make millions, while Californians are left broke and broke.
This is the political advertisement you may have seen during the Super Bowl, a $1 million statewide ad backed by the rideshare company Uber and a group called A More Affordable California. It's part of a ballot initiative, the Preventing Accident Victims from Self-Dealing Attorneys Act of 2026.
Their proposal is essentially to limit attorneys' fees.
The ballot measure would change state law to cap attorney payouts at 25% in car accident cases. Nathan Clegg, spokesperson for the campaign, tells us, quote, capping attorney fees, banning kickbacks, ending inflated medical billing, and putting in place whistleblower protections will protect auto accident victims in addition to reducing costs for consumers. Meantime,
Trying to stop car crash victims from holding them accountable.
That's an ad for 3 competing ballot measures by the group Alliance Against Corporate Abuse. Consumer Attorneys of California is behind the opposition. Their concerns with Uber's initiative?
Essentially, it makes it harder for people to get the legal representation they need to take Uber to court if they get assaulted or if they get into an accident.
Consumer Watchdog, a coalition member of the opposition campaign, explains why.
Medical costs and attorney fees all come out of 25% of the award. And therefore, you're not going to get an attorney to take the case, and you're probably not going to get your medical bills because the insurance company's not going to want to pay you.
The opposition also scored Super Bowl airtime, but their ad, aimed at holding Uber more accountable for reported sexual assault cases, aired in Sacramento and Fresno. They say it was pulled from the San Diego media market. It was not immediately clear why. On the countermeasures, the Uber initiative says, in part, when it comes to, quote, emergency lawyers, quote, it doesn't surprise us that they are frantically trying to avoid accountability and continue their predatory practices. So it's the powerful rideshare companies against the powerful state plaintiff trial lawyers.
Are both very strong, both in the legislature, but also their pocketbooks are quite large.
And the political implications are why this may be a movement directly to voters rather than through the legislature.
Have the voters vote on it because they don't think that there is a legislative deal to be had.
Jenny Huh, ABC 10.
We asked Governor Newsom for his response to the measures. A campaign spokesperson said he has not yet weighed in on those.